It's 5:32, following up on a high-profile murder case that has a family still fighting for justice, and this is after nearly a decade.
Yeah, a decision is expected today from the state's highest court over whether DNA evidence can be used in the suspect's trial. Let's get out live to our Jamie Warren, who is at the Arizona Supreme Court. And Jamie, this decision goes much further than this one case.
Megan and Kaylee, this could set a huge precedent for how DNA is used to solve criminal cases down the line and whether or not it violates your privacy. We're talking about the Allison Feldman case. You'll remember this, the 31-year-old. She was murdered at her Scottsdale home back in 2015. In 2018, police arrested Ian Mitchum. Now, his brother was already behind bars, and his DNA matched as a close relative to whoever was believed to have killed Feldman, ultimately leading investigators to then compare the DNA from the crime scene to a blood sample of Ian that was taken back in 2015 when he was arrested for DUI. And investigators say that it was a match, but a judge tossed out that sample, saying that it couldn't be used as evidence because it was collected as part of an unrelated case and should have never been available for testing in the first place. Now, this battle going all the way up to the Arizona Supreme Court. ABC 15 speaking with Feldman's dad after the justices listened to arguments ahead of today's decision, telling us at the time that he was feeling hopeful for what would be decided today. Take a listen.
The worst would be if they throw out that DNA sample. I don't think they will. I thought the strongest argument was the DNA never changes. I did this for Allison, and I'm going to be here every day to make sure that her case is adjudicated correctly.
Now, attorneys say that today's decision, it goes much further than this specific case because attorneys are arguing that it does raise serious civil rights and privacy concerns, specifically when it comes to the Fourth Amendment, which is your right to be protected from unreasonable searches and seizures by the U.S. government. Now, another thing to note here in this case is that attorneys, they've never been able to actually connect Ian Mitchum to Allison Feldman aside from this DNA sample. He denies ever knowing her, and then Feldman's parents say they don't know him and how he was possibly connected to Allison. But this decision, it's expected to come down at around 10 o'clock this morning here at the state Supreme Court. You can count on ABC 15 to update you as soon as we learn what is decided. For now, reporting live in Phoenix this morning, Jamie Warren, ABC 15, Arizona.
We'll be following along right there with you, Jamie. Thank you very much.